would definitely be the non-function. And Q would be the function. And then relation.
Um, is that a function?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maps to
It
one
still only
point.
maps to one point.
Yeah. So what observations? Questions. Yep, this one maps. This one
Reflects.
upon one point. So P. Wow.
More entertained by that than
Now the points are just spinning around it.
that right there. These two are
Stay.
stay the same. All the other ones spin around it.
Okay. So they're all moving at different. Why? We can make a question like, why do they all move at different rates? Because they all move differently. So you'd have to have a very complex equation, which I don't know what to get that.
They all meet at one point.
Yeah. Alright,
Next
you
one.
want to go on the next one? Alright, A is not a function, and B is. Wow.
What?
The B prime stays in one place no matter where the B goes.
So by the nature of the question, you were taking that
Um,
you were taking that as evidence that B to B prime has to be a function. And Stephanie, I heard you making a connection to some kind of a graph on Cartesian coordinates somehow, right? Okay. So that's an interesting connection and one that's actually
yeah, so the B prime stays still the whole time, so.
We're not going to pay much attention to that connection right now. It's a connection that has to be made. All right. Cool.
What do you guys think about page 5?
Well, it's interesting. The B prime stays still no matter where you move the B. And the A's, they'll kind of move at their own paces.
So, read the directions here and tell me what you think about those two questions.
Which relation is a function, which is not.
What do you think?
B to B prime is, considering it only maps to one point, but A to A prime maps to several different points. So that makes it not a function.
Okay. You agree with that?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Doesn't it bother you a little bit that B prime doesn't move?
Um,
It was at least something you noticed.
yeah.
Because it was the very first thing both of you wrote down.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's something particularly interesting about this one, and something maybe we should think about, and discuss as a class and as a group.
How could B prime stay 1 point?
What if that's the origin? So the coordinate would be 0, 0,
Yeah?
and
So that was
B.
On page 5, imagine
So
that.
f of B is equal to
Yeah.
0 B. It'd be f of x is equal to 0 B.
yeah.
maybe?
So that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. So then it would have to be 0 every time,
Yeah. That's
no
why
matter how great B
So
grows.
that's
So
why I
that's
think
probably why
it's
it would stay in the same place.
these. I think these never meet at any point in terms of origin.
Well, they
A
mean
can never touch A of the other, any of the points.
yeah, it can't.
Okay.
Oh, it can
It
touch.
can
It
never-
did touch one of them, but it can't touch all 3 of them.
It can't touch A prime. It can't touch this one, and it can't touch that one, which moves at double the rate.
Yeah.
It can touch this one. Okay, same.
I want to go back to the idea of a fixed point. A fixed point is when
D is
So-
non.
cross A and Y together.
And C is.
Okay, so you saw the fixed point there. Okay. Okay. So it's not necessarily a fixed point, but there's something else about this that's bothering you, I think.
Do they reflect upon a line or like a point? Drag them together.
Yes.
They can't go together.
I don't think they can.
Oh. It's weird. You can't touch them together. I'm gonna put that
And
as
they
a
can't go
question.
past this axis here. Look, see, they never go across that line,
Yeah.
regardless
Yeah,
of
I'm not sure. I don't really have a picture of it.
they just can't do anything to make it go across the line. That invisible point
Yeah, there's a
right
line
in the
going
middle.
like
Yeah,
that.
right down the middle.
Mhm.
Yeah, I mean, that's a little different behavior than we're seeing there.
I'm gonna write that down. C.
Ah, okay. And actually, okay, I guess the other one you